Oh, hello. I've been waiting for you. Alright, well, that was a little bit awkward, but today we are looking at a brand new RLM Elite box by Simple Fishing. They've redesigned the look. It's going to better suit your fishing needs, easier fit into the bags, and it's going to get you on the water quicker and on the fish sooner. So let's take a look. As always, in the box, you're going to get an information card. It's got a list of all the baits you're going to see in the box, along with the prices and websites, so you can check out information on the manufacturers and see all the value you're getting inside of the box. Of course, as well, if you share your RLM Elite box on Instagram or Facebook, you have a chance to win a very free box of your choice. So get on Instagram, Facebook, hashtag RLM Elite and Simple Fishing, and you could see your picture on this very card in the next box. A new fancy sticker for the boat, car, truck, tackle box, wherever you might stick it. So first out of the box today from Blitz Lures, this is the TS2, and it's something I have never seen before. Your line actually will feed through the lure attached to the snap swivel, which has the hook and ring on there, and you can use this thing as a vertical jig, cast it, you can troll it. It's gonna have a wicked action on this because this is actually gonna just be free up your line. So let's take a closer look. We'll open it up and see what it has. The Blitz TS2 half-ounce chrome shiner. You run the line through the body to the snap swivel, which has a split ring and hook. It's going to be great for vertical jigging, casting, and trolling, and the open body design allows for the lure to go over the snap swivel and not get in the way of those hook sets. I can't wait to give this one a try. It's something I've never seen before. Next up, we're going to take a look at the weapons of bass destruction. This thing is a swimming jig. It's going to be great for the summertime to get you on those bass. We're going to open it up right now. Let's take a look at what it looks like inside. Close. Coming at us from Weapons of Bass Destruction is the number 8 Shiner. It's a wicked swimming jig, and this is the type of lure that's bound to get gobbled up by a big bass. They have a great lineup of products, so check them out right now. Weapons of Bass Destruction. Simple Fishing is always mixing it up, throwing in some nice soft plastics this time around from Phoenix Baits. We've got these nice ringworms. They're ribbed. They got a nice ribbon tail. Let's open them up, take a closer look, and see what's inside. Up next from Phoenix Baits is the Phoenix Saturn Ringworm. It's a pearl white color with ribbon tail, salted flavor, and it's ribbed for extra fish pleasure. If you want to catch big fish, you need big baits, and these 5-inch grubs are going to catch you a donkey of a bass. These things are just juicy, juicy, juicy. They got a nice extra scent too, so let's take a look. Let's see what it smells like. Oh yeah, kind of like a garlic salty scent. Let's take a closer look. From NXS Soft Baits, we have the 5-inch Mega Grub. This thing has a beefy design with extra scent. It's going to be great on a jig head. You can swim it, use it on a trailer with a spinner. A big juicy grub for a big juicy fish. Always getting top quality baits in the RLM Elite boxes, coming to us from Live Target. This is a Dace. You gotta love the real life colors on these, and why not take it out and take a better look. The Live Target Dace is a one-of-a-kind swim bait with ultra-realistic design and color pattern. It's a 3-inch long, quarter-ounce weight, and it'll dive about 4 to 5 feet. It's going to be great for bass, walleye, and trout, and there's a detailed instruction list inside to get the best use out of it. Another great company that's featured in the RLM Elite boxes is Vexen, always coming up with top quality stuff. This is the Rattling Wasp, and listen to that rattle. The paint job on this is sick. It's going to catch some wicked bass, and we got to take a closer look at this right now. Another killer from the Vexen lineup is the Rattling Wasp. It's a floating crankbait. It dives 12 feet. You can troll or cast it, and this thing just looks deadly. I can't wait to get on the water and use it for some bass and some walleye. Keeping up with the big baits gets you a big fish trend from Tackle Industries, the Super Cisco. This thing looks amazing. I see pike, I see muskie in my future. Let's take a look. We gotta open it up right now. This might be the bait I'm most excited to use out of the box this time, is the Tackle Industries Freshwater Super Cisco. The chickenpox color, it's a bent lip crankbait. Big bait equals big fish. I always say it. This thing's gonna be awesome for pike, muskie, big bass, and just big game fish in general. It's going to be awesome for trolling. You can actually get it down to about 20 feet, or on the cast you're going to be able to get down to about 6. So whether you're on the shore or in a boat, this thing is going to be awesome. Last up out of the box, but certainly not least, from Crusher Lures, we have the Grass Assassin. This thing is a wicked flipping jig. It's going to be good for swimming, punching, whatever you have. This thing's going to get you on those bass and catch you a slauncher. I can't wait to get out in June when bass opens and give this one a whirl. And getting me excited for bass season is the Crusher Lures Grass Assassin. This is the old timer color. It's got a nice balanced head, ideal for swimming, flipping, or punching. This thing's going to be great for big bass, and I cannot wait for June. Well, that basically wraps up the April RLM Elite multi-species unboxing, and I love the look of the new box design. Just great graphics on it, a little bit fun, and I like the size of it too. It's going to fit in a backpack easy, tackle bag, whatever you want to carry it around, and it's going to be able to load up with great lures. And do yourself a favor, check out www.simplefishing.ca. Check out the great lineup of subscription boxes they have: bass, pike, walleye, multi-species, whatever your fancy is, they got a great option for you. And when you're at the checkout, throw in my promo code OutdoorDave. I'll set the link below, and you can save yourself 15% on your first subscription. So why not save a bit of money, get some great lures, get on the fish this year. Until next time, Outdoor Dave is out.